Open technologies empower people, and water is the essence of life. So how about we all come together to create solutions in makerspaces that can make clean water from almost any dirty water. Our goal is to have a design which can make 100 liters of fresh water per day using solar energy. So we are BlueGreece, and we are democratizing drinking water technology with open source hardware. Because we believe open source is a wonderful methodology to bring out the best solutions. And open source software has already proven that point. By bringing this applied philosophy to the hardware space, there are many benefits. For example, systems can be built and maintained locally. Also, we can bridge the gaps between all the needed expertise, from social science to engineering, and also we can work effortlessly together beyond hierarchies, beyond cultures. So we're creating a space in favor of true solutions without compromise. And also, it's a permanent frame. So the question is not, are we going to make it? The question is rather, how can we keep creating solutions that become better and better? So the evolution of the solution is yet another advantage of open source compared to conventional linear innovation. So what have we done so far? We've been prototyping our concept with hundreds of contributors. So now we're ready to show up and start developing the technology. We've got a first design draft as a basis for discussion. So we're reaching out to you. Do you want to support communities, maybe even your own, to have access to safe drinking water? So for the technology development, we're looking for makers and engineers to co-create the core technology. And we're also looking for someone specifically familiar with Autodesk Fusion 360. For the organizational development, we're looking for people familiar with decentralized governance and leadership, because a new type of innovation also requires a new type of organization. And also because we've got first indicators that history is going to repeat itself, and open source hardware will receive resistance just like open source software did. But we're not here to fight the current status. Rather, we're here to unite with positivity to create new solutions. In this spirit, our venture will be guided by the wisdom of turtles, holistic and peaceful creatures. So what the penguins have done for operating systems, the turtles will do it for drinking water. So if you're interested to flow with us, drop us a mail at turtles@bluegreece.org. We can find out how we can flow together and actively support the claim, water is a human right. Thank you, Open Hardware Makers. It's been really a true pleasure to be with you. Thanks.